Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to delete search history on YouTube. So let's get started. First, open YouTube and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This takes you to the account page. From there, tap on Settings icon in the top right corner. On the Settings page, select Manage Your History. If prompted, sign into your YouTube account using your Google email and password. Once signed in, make sure you have selected the correct YouTube channel. Now scroll down to view your watch and search history. You can delete individual items by tapping the cross icon next to each entry. You'll see a message that says, Deleting, and once completed, the item will disappear. To delete multiple entries at once, tap on the Delete button at the top right. Choose a time frame like Delete Today. Confirm the action, and YouTube will remove all selected history. A message will confirm the deletion, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.